What is nature therapy? To us, it makes us feel happy and healthy. It clears our minds from the hustle and bustle of life, and we relax in the moment. Nature therapy makes us think in the moment. It makes us curious and wonder why things are, and how they survive, and how they evolved over time. We learn from our observations and curiosity. Nature therapy allows you to spend time in the elements. It doesn't cater to your needs and comfort. We must adapt to it and respect it. It grounds you both physically and mentally. Nature therapy teaches us about the constant cycle of life and death. It makes us humble and shows us how small and insignificant our problems really are. Nature therapy brings us home wild and free. It gives us energy and inspiration. Nature therapy makes us rethink our relationship with the planet. The more time we spend in it, the more precious it becomes to us. Nature is not only amazing for your mental health, it is equally important for your spirit and your creativity. Whether you're in a rut or longing for that connection and peace of mind, get outside. It's the best free therapy you'll ever have.